No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Hello friends, we are getting married, so I want to give her surprise gift for our wedding that she will remember for the rest of her life. So what should I give it to her? I am thinking about it, but right now I am searching on this website. See friends, I got wedding gift. How is it? It's so beautiful. She will love it. I'm ordering this, okay? This is so beautiful. I think she will love this gift. I'm sending her this gift. Okay? Wow, this gift is so cute. Thank you so much, Goma. Thank you so much for this wedding gift. Oh, it's my pleasure, my love.
I love you, I love you, I love you. जिंगल बिलवा बाजेला, पक्की दाढ़ी वाला बुढ़वा झोला लेके भागेला है। जिंगल बिलवा जिंगल बिलवा जिंगल बिलवा बाजेला, पक्की दाढ़ी वाला बुढ़वा झोला लेके भागेला। घर घर ये आला तोहफा बाटेला, हर बच्चा चिल्लावे कि देखो